Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. If you have not subscribed Math Solver 1117, subscribe Math Solver 1117 because in this channel you will find the complete solution of O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many other competitive exams. Today's interesting problem is a plus b equals 13 and product of ab is also equals 13. You have to find the value of ab or write this in the order form. So we will start this question by consider a plus b as equation 1 and ab equals 13 as equation 2. Now from 2 we have ab equals 13 and from 1 we have a plus b equals 13. Now we will find the value of b here, that is 13 minus a. Consider this as equation 3 and substitute equation 3 into. So we get a into b. In place of b we will substitute 13 minus a equals 13. Now solve this. This will become 13a minus a squared equals 13. Now this equation will become a squared minus 13a plus 13 equals 0. We cannot make the factors of 13, so we will apply the quadratic formula on this. According to that, value of a is 1, value of b is minus 13 and the value of c is 13. So we get a equals minus 13 minus b means plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 of a. So we get a equals plus 13 plus minus b squared means 13 squared, that is 169, minus 4ac means 4 into 13. 4 into 13 will become, we will multiply 13 into 4. So 52 divided by 2. So a equals plus 13 plus minus 169 minus 52 is 117 divided by 2. So 117 can be write as 13 into 7 because 13 into 9 is 117. So we will write this as 9 multiply 9 into 13 divided by 2. So root 9 is equals 3. So we get 13 plus minus 3 root 13 divided by 2. This is the value of a. Similarly, we will get the value of b from this equation. So we get b equals 13 minus a, that is 13 plus minus 3 root 13 divided by 2. So we get b equals, taking the LCM, 26 minus 13 minus plus, signs are opposite, root 13, 3 root 13. So the value of b will become 13 minus plus 3 root 13 divided by 2. Now we will write the final answer here, that what we will get the order pair. So we get order pair AB equals, A is 13 plus minus 3 root 13 divided by 2 and B is 13 plus minus will become minus plus. Plus minus is minus plus 3 root 13 divided by 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.